early vote. Big him up. He said, yo, this lady is real. So big up Kamala Harris. Me I tell the boy for every balance, and him I say, Ray, all of a sudden he send me a ticket and say, Brother G, I voted. Yeah, look at soldier go vote. I don't know what Kamala Harris say, but Kamala Harris in real Kamala Harris. So me now see the interview, me I go watch the interview. Only thing me know say, yeah. So me just a big up the people we do the something last night. And please me ask them if you go out and vote this year. Find something to vote for. Me have to stay in there and Migla and say, no, I want to go vote. I want to go vote, please. Please go and vote. It's a very important election. And some of you is going to strong out there and I call. Good morning, Brother Gary. Heart, so your heart is so clean. You know, if ever since me have clean heart, me have look a bad mind on me. Hey, listen, let me tell you if I know me now. So me have look a bad mind on me, you know. And it's to God. Me have look a bad mind on me. Me have people me not like. But me not hate them, but me just don't like them attitude. Me not lie too no. Me have look a bad mind on me. Look at it a bad mind, but no whole heap. Might be less than Big G.